Right, we're here at the Fear Factory. Let's go see what it's all about, and we'll do a little review at the end. So this is a really good start. Actors in the queue lines before you even get in. Before your ticket's even scanned, you're already getting scared. The mazes are in fantastic quality, and there's actors in the queue lines at certain times. There's the hub that loads and loads are going on. What I would say is Doncaster Fear Factory has given me a new fear, a fear of missing out next year. I'm going to get my tickets booked as soon as I possibly can. The merch was very reasonably priced. A hoodie, 25 quid. You can't go wrong at that. So, the food court, very, very reasonably priced. Waltzers, £4 each. But you got a really long ride, probably around the sort of 6-minute mark. Real fast, people spinning you. What else could you ask for? What a fantastic night. Thank you, everyone at Doncaster. So that was the Fear Factory. What did you think?
I thought it was good.
Yeah, actually, so yesterday we was at Extreme Scream. Extreme Scream is really good. Really large and everything like that, but maybe some of the mazes are a little bit too large. Here, some of the mazes are a little bit on the shorter side, but I tell you what, the amount of actors they put in them spaces, and also the effects that they've been putting in them spaces, so without ruining it, geez. What was the first one we went to?
That one.
Yeah, this one down here. It's like end scene with a church. All I'm saying, you've got to experience it, haven't you? You've really got to get down here. It's worth every penny just for that final church scene. Then there's Pogo's Club.
Pogo's my favourite.
Yeah, loads of clowns, so many actors in there, just so much like lighting effects and all this sort of thing. It's really, really good. Crackle Hill, once again, another really good one. Yeah, queue time's been amazing tonight. What's the longest we've waited? 15 minutes?
Yeah. About
15 minutes to get in, which is fantastic. What's this one here? The chasm.
Chasm.
That's
the crouching one.
Yeah. So if you've got mobility issues, that one probably would be an issue. But that one was good. The actors in there was amazing. So if you're watching this and you are one of the actors at Fear Factory, may I just say, I take my hat off to you. Literally, I've taken my hat off already. Yeah. But I do say to you, you are doing an amazing job, and without a shadow of a doubt, one of the best scare events that we've been to in a long, long while. And we'll definitely be back sort of next year. Yeah, 100%. And then to finish off with the Foundry, yeah.
You missed Crackle Hill.
No, I said Crackle Hill.
No, you said that one.
Oh, yeah, well, okay, Crackle Hill was good. if I hadn't said Crackle Hill, I'm sure I have. Yeah, but either way, the Foundry, with all, like, the effects, and it almost felt like a little bit of an episode from Saw, you know, especially with the opening credits and everything like that. Something I've personally never seen done at like a scare maze. Just the different zones all in one maze was stunning, and the actors in there once again fantastic. Yeah. So if you are near Doncaster, or even if you're not near Doncaster, it's worth getting down here. So it's just on the outskirts of Doncaster. This is the 5th year. Oh, you brought a hoodie. Oh, yeah. From the gift shop. What was that? £25 for a hoodie.
The special one was like £35.
Yeah. right? 25 quid for a hoodie. Yeah, they're not ripping you off on prices. The food is reasonably priced. The drinks are reasonably priced. Everything is reasonably priced. Probably because we're a bit more up north. Yeah, so everything is a little bit more reasonable up north. And I'll tell you what, all the staff's been super friendly. Can't recommend this place enough. So like I say, if you are nearby, get down. You will not regret it.